What's going on, guys? It's your boy Siobhan here, back with another video, and today we have something special from Huawei, and it's their Huawei FreeBuds 4i. And this is an ANC active noise cancelling headphone that comes in at 139 Canadian dollars. That's insane, never been heard before, and I have not one but two. So I have two right here I will be giving away. So all you guys have to do to enter this giveaway, guys, is make sure you follow me on Instagram, like this picture that I have up right here with the Huawei FreeBuds, then comment down below in the comment section why you'd like to win, tag 2 friends, and that's it. Super simple. Also, I did another giveaway with the Huawei watch, and shout out to the person who won. I'll leave it on screen here so you guys know these giveaways are legit. So if you want to win one, guys, I got you. Just comment down below, follow the instructions, make sure you subscribe to the channel, of course. But yeah, without any further ado, let's unbox this thing and see what it's all about. Alright guys, so as I said before, I have two. As you can see, they're both sealed, so whenever you guys win, you'll be getting a sealed device, of course. So let's put this over to the side. We don't even need a knife. Yeah, we could just unbox this. Super simple. Boom, there we go. So it comes in this, oh, it's super small. Wow. So it comes in this nice little pebble, and it's inspired from like you know, like the pebbles on the beach. That's what it looks like. As you can see, it's way smaller than the bigger brother, which is the Huawei FreeBuds Pro, and this one is insane. But yeah, this is the way more affordable device. It's kind of almost the same size as the AirPods Pro. So we also have a few accessories inside, which is like the charging cable, USB type A to USB-C charging cable. And we're supposed to get 2 more ear tips, just in case you guys want to switch around if your ears are kind of big or kind of small. We have some extra ear tips inside. So this is the white small ear tips, and we also have the large ear tips. And if you're not a big fan of the white, this is the ceramic white. It also comes in 2 other colors, which is black and also red. The red looks insane. And of course, you know, we have that paperwork inside just in case you don't know how to use it, but that's why you got me. All right, I got you. Alright guys, so in order to set these up, it's super simple. If you have a Huawei device, you're in that Huawei ecosystem, you know what I mean. So it's almost Apple-like in order to set things up, which I really love. So if you have a Huawei device, just make sure your earbuds is open. It should pop up. If not, you could also, if you don't have a Huawei device, you could press this button at the side. Let's see if we get anything popping up here. And boom, there we go. So I'm not sure if you're supposed to press the button on the side. It's supposed to automatically pop up. But as you can see, we have the Huawei FreeBuds 4i. It recognizes it. Then we could just go ahead and hit connect, and it will be automatically connected. We could see the battery percentage of the 2 earbuds, and also the battery percentage of the case will be there for you guys. And also you could go into the Huawei AI Life app to get more information. So that's where I have all of my different devices. You can download the Huawei AI app on your iPhones, your other Android devices as well. So as you can see, I have my Huawei FreeBuds Pro there, my router, and also now the FreeBuds 4i. So in here you have a bunch of different stuff, like you can control the noise cancelling, you could see, as I said before, the battery status and everything. And of course, the main importance for this app is also to get updates. Alright guys, so earbuds in hand, you can see how small these are. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it looks really nice and elegant, right? Like not all earbuds for under $150 Canadian look this good. And let's see how it fits. Alright, so let's go. Put this in for the first time. Oh yeah, it fits good. This is not going nowhere, guys. And the noise cancelling is also activated. I'm gonna play some music and then hop into Spotify, play some music, and I'll tell you guys exactly how I feel after a few tunes. Alright guys, so it has been around 15 minutes. Pros and cons: good sound quality, very compact design, love it. Snug fit in the air. It wasn't going anywhere no matter how much I shake it. The active noise cancellation is insane. 10 hours of playback time, fast charging, very portable case. Cons: it's not the best, like when it comes down to bass. It doesn't really have like that thumping bass, but the clarity is there, of course. The vocals are there. It's really clear. It sounds like a premium pair of earbuds. The battery we have inside this case is actually really good. We have a 250 milliamp hour battery, and it takes 30 minutes to charge to charge it up fully. If you just want a quick pinch, in like 10 minutes you will get 4 hours of playback. So if you're just at the barber and you want to listen to music and it's dead, you could just plug it in for 10 minutes and you get 4 hours of playback for on the road. So design wise, I think the buds actually look really good. If you like the AirPods design, even the first gen or the second gen, you like these for sure. I keep comparing it to the AirPods because to me, that's what the first, like when I look at this, I see AirPods. I mean, it has Huawei design language in a sense, but when you talk about wireless earbuds, everyone talks about AirPods, but the thing is, AirPods are not really affordable for everyone, so that's where this would come into play. So that's why I'm kind of jabbing back and forth between AirPods Pros or AirPods and these Huawei FreeBuds 4i's. Alright, so if you guys notice, there aren't any physical buttons on the FreeBuds 4i. In order to control media playback, it's almost like you have magic. The controls of the earbuds are simple, and it's done over a capacitive sensor at the top part of the bud. So you need to tap twice to pause or play music, and also you could tap twice to answer or end calls. So if you want to control ANC, a long press would activate the 3 different modes. You have the noise cancellation, you have the awareness mode, and then you have the off mode / normal, which is basically no awareness, no amplifying of the mics. So it's just like a regular earbud. Now, one thing that sucks though is, unfortunately, there's no volume controls, and I wonder why Huawei didn't implement those controls, because with their FreeBuds Pro, you could slide your hand up and down the stem to control the volume. However, the FreeBuds Pro is obviously more expensive, basically costs $100 more. So yeah, I guess why they didn't add that feature to this device, since it's kind of like the budget option in my opinion. Alright, now on to the most important things about these earbuds is the sound quality. The sound quality is actually really good, as I said before. For the kind of music I listen to, which is hip hop and rap and those lo-fi beats occasionally, these actually surprise me as to how well they sound. So you can enjoy listening to music with a little bit of bass, deep bass. As I said before, it doesn't have the richest bass ever in the earbuds, but for sure what you're not gonna miss are those highs, those lows, and actually the vocals are really clear. Now when watching movies, I didn't notice any latency problems, and the sound transfer is instant. In regards to the ANC option, it takes most of the deeper sound noise out and a bit mid-tone. It has more of a bit mid-tone noise, basically, which means you won't be hearing anything in your house when it comes to white noise like the AC unit, your PC fans. If you have a beast of a PC like me, you'd understand how those fans sound. Or maybe you could block out your mom that keeps calling you to wash the dishes. But if you have Jamaican parents, I highly don't recommend you to use ANC in your house, because we already know how that gets. Now don't get me wrong, some louder sounds will be lowered also, but you won't get the full quietness like something you'd get from over-the-air ANC headphones like a Sony XM4. Now, you can still hear yourself breathing, the sound of your voice or others, in case you need to be aware of your surrounding. You're walking, you're going on a run. It's very important to hear environmental sounds. So there is a very nicely working awareness mode, but I wouldn't be using that too much because it amplifies all the outside sounds. So I would only recommend you guys to use that whenever you're going for a jog, you're walking outside, when you need, or riding a bike where you actually need to hear traffic. You have to be aware of your surroundings. That's when you want to use that mode. Also, quick note, both ANC and awareness mode will drain the battery a bit more. So if you keep them like turned off throughout the day, you should get around 10 hours, which will easily last the entire day, with even more days to add on to it, unless you use them constantly for 10 hours per day, which is kind of weird. The mic is also really good. If you're wondering, I took a call with it. No one was saying, Siobhan, why do you sound like that? It's a good mic, no complaints here. So yeah, overall, I think these are really good earbuds. It fits right within the Huawei ecosystem. If you have a Huawei laptop, Huawei phones, Huawei tablets, it just works. It just connects to all of them simultaneously, which is really nice. So I always get this question, Siobhan, I have $150. I don't want to buy AirPods. It's kind of expensive. What should I buy? Tell me some good sound and quality earbuds for around $100 price tag. And here we go. We have the Huawei FreeBuds 4i. 100% recommend it. And as I said before, guys, I have 2 of these bad boys. So if you'd like to win one, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, like the video, comment down below with your Instagram handle so I know you guys want to enter. Just tell me why you want to win. Then go over to my Instagram, like this picture right here, comment down below the picture, tag 2 friends, and boom, you're entered. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram. Come on, guys, let's go. All right, that's it for today's video. Road to 100K. As always, love, peace, and tweaks. Signing out.